Welcome! Today we are going to add a document from Google Drive to Google Classroom. So to begin, we will go to Classwork, and in Classwork we will create. So we'll head up to the top, hit create. We're going to create an assignment. Our assignment will be to watch the slideshow. And we don't need it graded. We can do it on Saturday. And we will create a new topic. Slideshow. And now we have to attach our slideshow. So we will find it in our Google Drive. Clicking on that. And looking here is the slideshow that we want. And it is the joy of creative math problem solving. We'll add it, and voila, there it is. Now it's a slideshow, so we want students to view it. We could use the options of students can edit the file or make a copy for each student, but it's a slideshow, so students will just be viewing this. So we'll continue with that. Now we're ready to assign it. And in just a second, let's go check it. Here it is. Watch the slideshow. Students will select it and they will be ready to go. Check. We could edit if we needed to, but we don't need to. So we are good. Thank you very much.